Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, July 5th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the dollar Canadian monthly, I still believe there's a very good likelihood this is a complete uptrend right here, and I think there's a good chance, especially looking at the dollar index and other dollar pairs, that this is actually now in a downtrend, which should at least go down and take out these previous lows. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame is where you can see what I think is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. A little bit of a lower high on the wave 5, but that definitely does happen a lot. Impulsive down, I think, is a 1. I think this is an ABC up for the 2. And I think this is now already in a wave 3, and it's going to continue to make lower lows, lower highs, and just keep on trending down, probably eventually taking out the low back here. So let's keep going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, you can see almost a perfect downtrend right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 1. A, B, C up, most likely a 2. I think this is a downtrend. I think that the trend is not over. I think this move up is just a correction, and I think there's a very good likelihood that it's just going to keep on trending down, all part of a wave 3. So definitely no proof that the correction is over yet, but I think that it will end and it will continue back down. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. So 4 hour time frame, we probably have a big 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. Now originally I had this back here marked as a possible ABC right here, but I think it's pretty obvious that the ABC is actually right here is the A. This is probably a three-way pattern for the B, and we're probably now in that wave C. So if we see a big impulsive engulfing break of structure to the downside, then I would definitely take that as the end of a correction, and most likely the continuation of the downtrend. Maybe even like a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, and a wave 3 of wave 3. So let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I think we have a 1, 2. Oh, we have a 1, 2, 3 shape here. So probably it needs to make a 4 and a 5. And if it continues to respect these highs like it has been doing so, makes an impulsive move to the downside, breaks structure, then I think that's going to be the end of a correction, especially on the longer time frames and the continuation of the downtrend. Now, if we never see that 3, 4, 5 shape with the break of structure to the downside, then we will not be going short and we'll just continue to look for longs. And if it turns into a bigger correction on the longer time frame, then we're just going to be looking for longs anyways on the shorter time frames, so it's definitely not going to matter. But if it does break structure down, I will definitely take that as a short, and maybe even the continuation of the downtrend for like a wave 3 of wave 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.